5.4, solutions
Oh, got it. Got it.
and applications of right triangles. So the first one's solve each right triangle. In each case, C is equal to 90 degrees. If angle information is given in degrees and minutes, give answers the same way. Blah, blah, blah. If angle information is given, okay, whatever. When two sides are given, give angles in degrees and minutes. We're just doing degrees.
Minutes.
It's just don't worry about it. 26. Angle A is 62.5 degrees. Side A is 12.7 meters. And then we were told that angle C is 90 degrees unless otherwise stated.
22.
So I'm trying to solve for the missing pieces of the triangle.
Oh, we got this.
Whoa, not that. So this is angle C. Angle A is 62.5 degrees. Side A, opposite its angle, so 12.7 meters.
Wait, I have another question. Really fast before I forget it. If the boys and us have a home state game, how does that work? They're just the same day, different times?
Yeah.
Okay. That's kind of cool. So we'll both have a home state game on Tuesday, most likely?
If nothing changes, yes.
Yay.
All right, so I'm going to write down everything. All right, A is 62.5 degrees. C is 90 degrees. A is 12.7 meters.
Problems. It makes sense to me.
All right, so how do I find angle B?
Subtract 180 from the sum. No, subtract.
Yes.
The sum.
Subtract 180 from the sum of A and C.
Other way, but yes.
Yeah.
180 minus 90 minus 62.5 would be what?
I got it. One C, 8.5.
All right, so then how would I go about finding side B and side C? Any suggestions?
No.
All right, so what angle or what trig function associates angle A with side A and side C?
Sine.
Sine. So let's do the sine of 62.5 degrees. Make sure when you're using your calculator, you're in the right mode. So you need to be in degree mode. Is equal to opposite 12.7 over C. Then we just swap C and the sine of 62.5. So C is equal to 12.7 divided by the sine of 62.5.
This calculator gotta be in degrees, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Or else you're gonna get the wrong answer again. I need a snack.
We're literally getting ready to go out to eat in like 20 minutes.
Yeah, but I'm so hungry.
Do you want a granola bar?
No, I have a snack in my locker. Can I go grab it?
Sure.
It's watermelon sour. Ethan?
12.7 divided by sine of 62.5.
I'm gonna go out to lunch. Out of nowhere.
So C is equal to 14.3 meters.
And then you do the height.
So,
The bag.
yeah, you can with the decimals. I would rather not. So, and just for the sake of, I know you know how to use the Pythagorean theorem, I'm going to use another trig function.
No.
If you want to use it, that's fine, but I want you to make sure you see how to do it. So, what trig function associates angle A with side A and side B?
Cosine.
A and B.
Hard. Tangent.
Tangent, yes. So the tangent of 62.5 is equal to 12.7 over C. We swap again, or I mean B. So B is equal to 12.7 divided by the tangent of 62.5.
This seems like a lot of problems.
So this is going to be 6.6 meters.
Okay. Next.
Okay, sound with a cup of coffee, most musical, artistic, loudest,
Alright,
athletic.
30. B is 32 feet.
Like, most likely to go as much.
C is 51 feet.
I want most likely to travel. That's what
Okay.
All right, so suggestions on how to find A.
Keep loving. Wait, okay, so how do you know which little letter goes with which thing?
So C is always the hypotenuse. So that's always going to be A and B don't matter. The only thing that matters is that it's angle. So like B is over here, so angle B has to be here. Side A is here, so angle A has to be here. So its
Okay.
angle has to match up like opposite with its side.
Okay.
And then side C is here, and we were told that side C is 90 unless otherwise stated. So,
Okay.
or sorry, angle C. Oh my gosh. So A, B, C. Little a we're finding, little b was 32, little c is 51, angle C is 90. So how would I go about finding side A, considering I don't have a whole lot of information?
You do the thing,
But you do it opposite.
Pythagorean theorem, so I'll do, it's going to be A is equal to, I'm going to go ahead and modify the formula, so the square root of 51 squared minus 32 squared.
Whoa.
So this is 39.7. All right, so then I need to find the angles. So we're going to solve for angle A. So what trig function do you want me to use to associate to find angle A? You can literally pick pretty much any of them.
cosine.
Cosine. All right, so cosine of A is equal to adjacent, so it's 32 over 51. So then I just take the inverse to solve for the angle. So A is equal to the inverse cosine of 32 over 51. Which is going to be 51.1 degrees. And then what? How do I find B?
Tangent.
Or I can make my life easier and do what?
Subtract.
The 180 minus 90 minus 51.1. Ethan?
38.9.
Cool. Any questions about those? All right. Now 2 word problems. Okay, so number 40. So it says to find the distance RS across a lake, a surveyor
Whoa, okay.
lays off length RT is equal to 53.1 meters, so that angle T is equal to 32 degrees, 10 minutes. And angle S is 57 degrees, 50 minutes. Find the length RS. And then they give us a nice picture here of the lake. Then we have point S, point R, point T, which is where our little dude is standing, hanging out. And this makes a triangle. So they tell us that RT, so this distance here is 53.1 meters. We're ultimately trying to find RS. And angle T, we're going to convert these angles. So to do this, we divide by 60 for the minute. So it's going to be 32 plus 10 over 60 for T. So it's going to be 32.17 degrees. And S, we do the same thing, but we do 50 over 60. So S is equal to 57 plus 50 over 60. So this is going to be 57.83 degrees. So then I just need to find RS. So which trig function do you want me to use and with which angle to solve for this length here? I have a couple options.
Cosine.
Of what angle?
C.
C.
Oh, well.
There's no C.
R.
I can't do the cosine of R.
I don't know. 90 is R.
Yes, this is 90.
That's why I picked R. I don't know.
Well, if I'm using cosine is adjacent. What is side RS adjacent to? Which angle?
3.
I don't know.
Angle S. So the cosine of S, which is 57.83, is equal to, well, I actually can't use that because I don't have hypotenuse value. So I need to pick a different trig function. So what one can I use instead that associates the stuff that I know?
Sine.
Sine still needs a hypotenuse. I don't have a hypotenuse.
Tangent.
Tangent. So the tangent of
57.83.
is equal to 53.1 divided by, I'm just going to call it x. So then I swap it. So x is equal to 53.1 divided by the tangent of 57.83. So x is equal to 33.4 meters.
What was the industry song?
Industry song?
Yeah.
Yeah, Ethan, sing it for us.
I would tell you, but I honestly forget.
Ethan!
Don't do that. You know I don't pay attention.
He didn't sing. He even got called out by a third grader for not singing. I have it on video.
It was.
Please don't show it.
What was
Can I see it?
Don't show it.
Can I see it?
Don't
What's
show
the
it.
mystery song?
I honestly don't remember what it was. I was with him like 50% of the day, and I honestly don't remember.
Alright, so it was R.
It was amazing watching them sing to you, though.
To the picture?
Yes.
It was two mystery songs, one from the lower class, one from the
Count on Me was the younger
I know
one,
the
but
upper class was I Wanted That.
It was I.
Tell me why. Yeah,
All
it
right.
was awful.
An airplane.
Tell me why it ain't nothing but heartache. Oh my god.
is flying
That's the worst mystery song I've ever heard.
10,500
Wow.
feet
Last time I heard it was so bad.
above level ground.
Ours was really good.
We could fly to the moon.
The angle
No, Love's number one best one.
I heard it was terrible.
of depression
I'm surprised I had 22
from the plane to the base
I didn't even watch it that day.
I did. I watched.
of a tree
I watched 50.
is 13 degrees 50 minutes. How far horizontally must the plane fly to be
Yes.
Oh, good. I'm so happy for you. Thank you.
directly over the tree? And then it gives you another beautiful picture.
All that way.
Just making sure mission was accomplished.
Mission was way accomplished. Oh my god.
And this is all what they give you. So just,
Oh, my airplane.
I'm glad it looks like one.
It's a good airplane.
It looks
Thanks.
a little rough, but
No.
Don't mind the fact that the tree is almost all the way to the airplane. Need to fix that.
Keep loving you
oh my. What was that, Stacey? That is not her normal Steve's.
It's not because my voice doesn't like go that high right now, so
I told Paige she sounded like a big Tina 50.
all right, so we were told, and again this is all given to you, but this is 10,500 feet.
Sales practice actually
3:30. Yes.
They're serious.
Gotta
Gotta
get
get their heads in the game. Gotta win.
And this angle here is 13 degrees 50 minutes, which is going to be
I had great airplane trips. Just
Very
ready.
good. Only 94 more
13.83
days.
degrees.
I'm literally so excited.
I hate airplanes.
I love airplanes.
I hate
There's a problem in here about the Lake Pontchartrain.
the what train?
Lake Pontchartrain. You're from Louisiana? You don't know what that is?
The Pontchartrain.
Lake
You
Pontchartrain
did.
in New Orleans.
Yo, I lived there since I was like, I only lived there for 4 years.
It's the causeway that gets into New Orleans.
I didn't think I knew what that was.
I only lived there for 4 years. I only know about the airport.
Okay, whatever. All right, so we want to know how far horizontally the plane must fly to be directly over the tree. So I'm looking for this distance here.
I thought you liked Nick.
If this was 10,500, this is also 10,500. So I need something that associates this angle with this side and this side, which would be what?
Tangent.
So tangent of 13.83 is equal to 10,500 over x. So x is equal to 10,500 over tangent of 13.83.
Wait, are y'all still presenting in forensics?
Yeah.
Still?
I already went though.
How'd it go?
We only got 4 more people.
I got a 93 on the whole project. I don't know.
I got a 98.
Yeah, my presentation sucked.
That's not good.
It was fine. Not worried about it.
How many did she count?
I don't know. I haven't got my paper back yet.
Wait, Ethan, did you go? Oh.
Going today.
I'm gonna laugh. Not on purpose.
Yeah, there's still a lot of people that have to go. Like basically all the juniors still have to go.
That's only 4 juniors. Don't listen to her. Only 4 juniors have to go.
Well, there's okay. Well, let me rephrase. There's only 6 juniors in the class, or 7. So half have to go.
All right, your problems are 25, 29, 39, and 49.
There is not 9 juniors.
There's seven senior girls.